How you doing, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Jack's Wonderful Adventures. And this is going to be a short one, but this is the new walkway they made. Oh wow, these are beautiful black swans, aren't they beautiful? These are rare black swans. And there he went. Oh well, hi there. Okay, I think you want something to eat, but I don't have nothing for you, fella. Alright, we're going back here. Oh boy, there's some geese back here with their family, so I hope they don't, like, attack me. This is this new pond they made with new, oh boy. I hope they don't, like, bite. We're just gonna go on the other side here, alright guys? We're gonna go over here. Yeah, okay, they're bobbing their head up and down there, so I don't know what that means. But we're just gonna go over here. We're just gonna go over here. Just wanna see the waterfall. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just gorgeous? I love summertime. Everything, look at this, a rainbow. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not. There's a rainbow. The land is good and green again, guys. Oh, isn't that just gorgeous? Now over here it tells you about our black swans. Amazing facts about black swans. Here they are. I don't know. They're one of Australia's most iconic and elegant birds. Graceful creature with velvety black feathers and a bright red beak and long curved neck that moves like liquid poetry. The black swan, official bird of Western Australia. Completely and totally awesome. And there's one now. There's a real black swan. Wow, isn't he beautiful? Hi there, fella. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Everything's good and green. Get out, take a walk, enjoy the impending summer. They got a nice little bench. You can just sit down and you can relax. I love it. There's the black swan down there. And there are some beautiful ducks and that beautiful waterfall. Okay, we took you on another little small adventure, this time to see the beautiful waterfall and the black swans of Western Australia. And as always, we'll see you again on our next adventure.